people. So this is my 23rd video, and in this video I want to say that like I was speaking about this channel, Garima's Good Life. People in this vlogger takes us to Actor Prepares, that institute, which is run by Anupam Kher, and it was opened in the year 2005. No, so for anyone out there who's an acting, who's a aspiring actor or artist or thing, so apparently the fee structure for 3 months is just like, it's a lot. Yeah, it's 2 lakh 25K, I think, but seriously, for anyone who's wanting to pursue these dreams, y'all should check out Garima's Good Life vlogs, because it's the whole process she explains, how to go for auditions, how to get selected for Crime Patrol and all of that. So so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.